In this video, I'll show you how to change the screen size of your Samsung Smart Television. So you first need to head over to the settings menu. Now there's two different ways we can get to this menu. The first is by pressing the home button like so. And then if you scroll all the way across to the left, you'll see this option for settings. So just press OK, and that's going to bring up the settings menu. Alternatively, you may have a button on your remote control to just pull up this menu directly. You can see on the bottom of my remote control here, I have this button labeled settings. So if I press that, this is also going to pull up this window. So from the settings menu, you just need to make sure you're in the picture tab like so. And then we're going to use the right arrow key to come across and you'll see picture size settings. Now, if this picture size settings option is grayed out for you like it is on my television, then it may be because you're on the incorrect input mode for your device. So in order to fix this, we just need to click on the source button on your remote control, and you can try changing between TV and HDMI. So let me just connect to my HDMI like so. Then if we head back over to the settings menu, you can see now if I scroll back over to the picture mode, we now have the option picture size settings. So to adjust your screen size, select picture size settings, and then right at the top you'll see picture size. Just go ahead and select this, and here you'll have a bunch of different picture modes that you can choose from. So if your picture is not filling the full size of the television, you may need to come into picture size here and just adjust this accordingly. You can then return to the previous menu, and there'll also be a few more options down here. At the moment, these are currently grayed out, and that's because I'm on this 16:9 standard picture mode. But if I change this over to custom, then we can also adjust these settings like fit to screen. If you turn that on, then it's going to expand the picture to fill the full width of the screen. And that's it, guys. That's how you adjust the screen size of your Samsung Smart Television. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.